So hi everyone, my name is Marina, and for my Stackathon project, I made a React Native app called Recipe Snap. And so the idea behind my app was to make it really simple and easy to discover new recipes, and so that lazy people like me can just take a picture of the dish you want to make instead of typing in a list of ingredients. So you can see that this is the main screen. You can choose a photo for the app to analyze from your camera roll, or you could take a photo right then if you have the food in front of you. There's also a tab for saved recipes. You can see that I have one potato and Clarifai curry recipe saved already. So now I'm going to pick a food photo from my camera roll. So this salmon dish looks really cool, so I want to make something like it. And so I'm using an image recognition API from Clarifai to look for the ingredients in that photo. So here it recognized things like rice, teriyaki, vegetable, which are all things that were in the photo. So maybe I'll choose teriyaki, salmon, and vegetable. There's also some dietary options here if you want to specify that you're vegetarian or you're sugar conscious. And so this is a screen where you can swipe through possible recipes, kind of like Tinder, where you so you can see that you can drag these cards around, and if you swipe to the right, it'll save the recipe in your data, and if you don't like this one, you can swipe left to dismiss. So maybe I want to make this one, but not this. And I guess that's all the recipes I saw. And so now if I want to check out the recipes that I saved, I can go through this tab. And for example, if I want to make this teriyaki salmon recipe from the sources here, it's from Epicurious, I can either visit the recipe in the browser. Yes, I open Safari. Okay. Yeah, so you can see the recipe here. Or you could click the share button to share the link to the recipe. On an actual iPhone, it would show a list of more apps, like your text messaging apps here. I just saw an example with the Reminders app. And you can also delete recipes that you didn't actually want to make. And then you have no recipe saved. As so one more example using a different set of options. So if I analyze this fried rice recipe and specify that I want vegetarian, yeah, I only get vegetarian recipes. Okay, and so I used React Native to make this app, Redux to store the states, and Clarifai's image recognition API, and a recipe search API from Edamam. And in the future, I would like to add the ability to sign up so you can save your recipes in your account. That's it for my project. Thank you.